Oh.
Crazy day,
Sorry.
huh?
I'm sorry I left you for that long.
It's okay. You're your own person. You're allowed to do whatever you please.
I know I said I told you I'd be right back, but I ended up taking forever because I was talking to you. I don't know what to do. I care about everybody, and I want to be on Mask's side, but I also don't want to see the Void family get hurt.
Why don't you just not pick a side?
I don't know.
That is an option.
I guess that's true, but it'll also hurt to just, sit on the sidelines and...
Sometimes sitting on the sidelines is what keeps you alive.
Yeah. I'm just conflicted as hell now. It's like...
You'll make the decision that's best for you.
I mean, other than all of that, it was a fantastic wedding, don't get me wrong. It was very sweet, and I'm happy that you have a new member of the family. Yeah, Bailey, I guess, is now your sister-in-law?
We'll stick with sibling for now. Sibling-in-law.
Gotcha. So I'm very happy for them. I'm happy for you.
Yeah.
I have a lot to think about.
Yes, you do. I learned something today.
Really?
That you and Matt are exes?
Mask? Well, kinda, sorta. Like, when we both first arrived to this world, you know how we did, like, I guess, random pairings with the kids.
Mm-hmm.
So I was paired with Masked, and, we got along great, but we were more, I guess, platonic partners than anything.
Well, Mask
really...
used the word exes, so...
Yeah. I guess you could say that. They went on to find a new partner after I disappeared for a while. So...
Which makes sense.
And that's why I even said to Maggie, I always told Masks that I want to help them to try and make up for that. But now I'm not sure, because before I disappeared, everyone was together. There was never a feud. There was never a war. We were all together. We were all one big happy family. And then I come back and suddenly a whole bunch of things have happened and it's split apart. And I miss when we were all together, Now everything was different. Things were never this convoluted back in the last world I was in, where I never this convoluted. It was never this complicated. It was never, here it's like, oh god, it's like Astro, but 10 times worse.
I wish I could help, but I'm not involved in any of this.
I know. You don't have to be involved. I don't want to drag you into something that, could end up potentially getting you hurt. It's just complicated right now.
Yeah.
I'm sorry if I'm ranting about this, and I don't want to burden you.
It's okay. Honestly, it's okay.
You know what we should have done at the wedding? We never had a dance. I think that would have been cute. But I got so caught up in other things. I never, asked you, but
You wanna know what's great about that? We have our own private bar.
I do. Oh yeah, we do. I forgot about that.
I can't, I built the thing. Oh my god.
Chaos usage. I can get rid of that for you if you want.
You can keep it if you want, but, yeah, I don't have music, just a music box, and I don't know how to dance.
Oh, no, that's perfectly fine. Hey, I mean, this could be for a nice bar.
Yeah, I will learn to dance, but I can dance with you one day.
Maybe you could host a wedding here or something.
Do you know anybody getting married? Actually, do you know anyone else dating?
I have no idea right now.
I'm not sure there is anyone else.
One day. It'll happen. It'll happen. But until then, we'll just have to learn how to dance ourselves.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be that hard, but yeah.
Maybe we could ask, oh, who would know how to dance?
Thistle, maybe. That's the first one I thought of.
If we ask Thistle to teach us, oh dear, that girl already has so many theories about what's going on with us. It's insane.
She does?
Oh yeah, she does.
Oh, Thistle always had a wild imagination.
While they were dealing with the video, Masked, Red? No, yeah, Red. And I were sitting on a hill, drinking wine, talking about, how single we were.
Oh my gosh.
And Thistle comes over just like, you're getting married to Jayne. I'm like, what? That's what Thistle thinks is happening.
That's way too soon. I don't know.
Oh my god.
I've never had something like this before. Like, I don't know. Not even my former self, like former life, ever had partners or anything, as far as I remember. So.
I was married once.
You were?
Yeah. Probably around 4,000 to 5,000 years ago.
4,000? What? Huh? Hold on. How old are you again?
Easily over 6,000.
Oh my god. Oh my god, you don't look a day over 1,000.
Why, thank you.
Yeah, you look great for your age. Is that weird to say? I hope that's not weird to say.
I think I'm used to hearing it.
Good.
But yeah, I was married. It didn't last long. But yeah. I had a husband and had a son. And well, you know how the story goes.
Yeah. Happily ever after, huh? Maybe one day we'll get that.
I think there could be a happy ever after.
Perhaps.
If it can happen for App and Bailey, then why not anyone else?
And obviously we've got to live our lives while we can, just in case, Viridium,
Yeah. Okay. I want you to face that way. Face that way.
Okay.
You do trust me, okay? First, use the flower.
Alright, I trust you.
You can turn right now. Okay.
Oh. Oh my god, that surprised me. Oh, I don't know how to do the pose, otherwise I'd do it, so.
It's okay.
Oh, thank you, King. That made me feel so much better. Truly, today's been stressful.
Yes, it has. Maybe match the bowl.
Oh yeah.
All the gold.
That's true. I like this dress. It gives me a weird memory, but I think it might be a good one.
I hope so. It suits you.
I mean, your suit suits you too.
Thank you. Speak of the devil.
Uh-oh.
And she shall arrive.
That's all. Oh no, this is
sweetheart.
exciting now. avocados.
We were speaking about you.
Yeah. We were saying how silly of a, how cute of an imagination you have. You have a
Very
great
cute
imagination.
imagination. It was more what you said when Masked Red and I were talking. Hey, technically...
Hey, I don't discriminate. I like anybody. Look, I like anybody, okay? I don't discriminate.
Me too.
That's all.
Are we being too subtle for you, darling?
That sounds horrible out of context.
Unfortunately for you, we're both very awkward, so it's...
Yeah.
You want something done, you do it yourself, darling.
Oh, thank you. She's glowing. She's glowing.
Here is the star.
Definitely.
We were gonna dance, and then we realized we can't dance, and we haven't.
Yeah, no, neither of us know how to dance.
So we're gonna learn to dance separately, and then we'll come together and dance together at some point. We don't.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh dear. I have a feeling we're being set up on a date.
Possibly.
Hey, I'm not opposed to it.
Yeah, no, me neither. My inventory is... yeah, it's fine.
I don't...
Thanks, Dad.
I only know how to do this. I don't know if this counts.
Hold on, let me restart it. There we go. Because I turned down the... Alright.
I don't know how to dance. This is not something I've learned.
Just gotta do this. Ready? Wait for the beat drop. Yeah, there we go! Now we're doing it! This is a great song to dance to.
I feel very out of place.
What? This is your mansion. You shouldn't feel out of place. You should have fun.
I feel out of place dancing in a ballroom with my child suspended from the ceiling and watching.
She's just excited for us. She's just excited, Rose. That's all. Oh my god. Look at her.
Hey, we both said we weren't opposed to a date. That's as far as you're getting, okay?
Well, this is more of an impromptu one. We should maybe set up an actual one at some point.
Is that you asking?
I mean, Maybe? Maybe?
Oh!
I don't know.
Have fun? Where did the child...
Oh.
Okay. I guess I'm just
She's
gonna
gone.
do this then. As a dog, we have certain rituals when we are interested in someone. Okay?
Uh-oh. Should I be worried?
No, you're getting jewelry.
Oh! Oh, man. How do I put these on? Hold on. How do you put them on? Okay, I gotcha. I think. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, these are so cute! Oh my gosh! Oh, I love this! Oh, they don't quite fit on when you, crouch, but...
Yeah.
Oh, these are so cute! Oh, King, you didn't have to.
I mean, it's... Yeah, it's... I think they're cute.
Move so around a lot. Hold on. How do I... Bandit. These... Yeah, no, these are linked to Bandit. Yeah, no, I wouldn't be opposed to a date if you wanted to. Maybe something up.
You're incredibly informal, but I accept.
Informal? Well, how do I be formal? What do,
You're talking to someone from 6,000 years ago.
I know, I don't know how
Promote
to...
equality, revolution, freedom.
We are going to free everyone. Yep.
We are going to free everyone.
We're having a gay moment.
Okay, Max, maybe this was the wrong time. It is the wrong time.
We were dancing. This'll think that we're on a date right now.
You just asked
Well,
me
how do you
on a
want to
date.
proceed with this?
Oh, yeah, no. But look at what Thistle said right there. Look at the sign.
Hey guys, we're not on a date right now, Thistle.
Oh my god, they're on a date. This is crazy.
Oh my god.
Oh my
this
god. Oh my god, everyone, they're on a
congrats,
date.
you
We gotta
two.
leave these two lovebirds alone. Come on, everyone.
No, it's not. Okay.
Get it? Lovebirds because Kings is a bird. Anyways.
Oh, yeah, no, I'm a cat.
Wait,
You're
some-
a bird.
How should we...
That's
That
crazy.
seems a bit opposite.
That's fine. I'm a cat hybrid, so it's not, you know.
No, it's
I am
wearing
going
armor.
to make you something spectacular, I promise. And then I'll see what I can do to set up a date.
I trust you, and I look forward to it. Here is the glass of wine I'm holding into.
Oh, thank you.
Do I have your sign? I have two. Okay. It's bedtime. I'm going to the nest.
Alright, stay safe.
Bye-bye.
Well, how was the dance?
We tried.
You know, I've come to talk to both of you since you're you know, on the show. Okay, alright. I realize, things have not been good at the wedding, but the reason I was angry and I would like to apologize for my sudden outburst is the equal rights of terms that Bailey and Aptap and apparently the Camelot citizens have followed, that we were supposed to be on an equal basis and not get... Remember that equal basis where we weren't supposed to talk to everybody about each other and all that kind of stuff, and we were supposed to keep it, like, you know, friendly?
Mm-hmm.
I heard from 4 separate people that a Void family spread some shit about me during the wedding, and that's why I was given wither roses as a sign of disrespect, got smack talk during the wedding, and Maggie was the one who did the entire thing.
Not even
And you
that. Stars contributed to it because Stars was
And-
trying to talk to me and my child about this, and
Yeah,
well,
and
I already
Stars-
told my child the truth.
And you know, I just wanted to be free. That's all I wanted was freedom, and literally that's it. That's literally it. All I just wanted to do was escape a family. That's it.
We were keeping it civil, but
I was
well,
keeping it civil in
so
there.
much
I
for
didn't
peace
say
treaty.
anything to anybody. I was just like chill. I was like going through. When Maggie spread, Stars spread. I don't know about Ender. But do you know how that feels? Where it's just like we're supposed to keep things equal. We're supposed to keep things just, you know, civil. But then they get to spread things about me, and that's okay? That's not okay. It was a day of celebration. And guess what? You know what happened. I got spread rumors about, and now eggs hate me. Master, it seems there's a lot of miscommunication. Well, it starts with them.
Yeah, I know. It's not on our part.
That's not on our part. Maybe they need to actually come and reveal the truth.
I'm saying at this point, it's not that hard. Don't know what all this running away has to do with it. Oh hey, you're back.
But do you feel like it's fair that we're supposed to civilly be nice to them while they go around slandering my name? And multiple people have told me. Even you, Jayne. You told me. Even Bailey and AppDap told me. A couple of eggs told me there, too. So I don't think it's a miscommunication on my part.
Oh.
It's not fair to you, and I completely understand that.
I just want to be free, man.
I know nothing about any of this, and I would like it to remain that way, if that's okay.
Yeah, King is very,
Well, I mean, that's fair, as long as this remains neutral, because, well,
I
We've
am a
had-
neutral party. And
okay. Because we do not want any more conflict happening with this ordeal. It's already
Just-
becoming a bit much.
I don't want any more things spread about me. I just want to live. That's it.
well,
I
when
just
you
want
come here,
them to admit that they lied.
It's neutral, okay?
It's neutral. That's
Alright.
fine.
I
That's
can
great.
keep it that way. I can
I
keep
can
it
keep
that
it
way.
that way too.
I assume you're very tired now, King.
May I ask about what? Oh, like, if we want to go off the property and remain unneutral, we can. As long
Yeah.
as we can keep being friends, Kings, we can keep being friends, Thistle, we can keep being friends, Jayne, we're all good. We're all peaceful.
Of course.
Oh yeah, nice
And
to meet you, by the
somebody
way. Kings.
has
This is a
somebody has to
terrible
come with
entrance for
Zero
me.
just in case, because I know Zero won't, like, follow two people into the abyss. Alright, Zero.
Also, it's been a while, Jane, since we talked. I think
Honestly,
we haven't talked since,
okay.
Yeah. that
well,
was-
Okay,
that.
story time.
I'm sorry, this is the way things have to be, but...
Kings, have a
wow.
good night!
Alright.
Take care, Kings.
Alright, like, honestly, I know a lot of you probably don't trust me or don't like me or whatever your beef is with me, except for Thistle. Thistle's neutral and Thistle's cool. Jayne, know you've talked to Maggie and everything like that before, but as I promised from the Camelot, apparently, party, there was not supposed to be any tomfoolery, no harassment on both sides, no killing, no nothing like that, as you were aware from the wedding ceremony, correct? We were all supposed to be neutral. I was told by 5 different people and 2 eggs specifically, that Maggie went around and was talking to people about me, and Stars even tried to do the same thing. Which, that is not civil. That is not civilized.
Not even
That's
that.
not-
Stars has the audacity to try and come and lie to my face and my child twice now.
Oh, what they say? They basically said that I was gonna go around killing everybody at the, like, wedding, and apparently I'm a really bad person, and, like, you know, I'm just, like, you know, after... The only people that I'm after, quote-unquote, is... Actually, I'm not even after anybody. I'm just trying to be free. That's literally it. I started the... I'll be honest with you guys. I started a war. But that was for freedom. That was it. That was literally it. I'm not gonna kill anybody. I just want to leave. I want to get away from everything. I want to restart a life, because I know I've done bad things, and I realize that I've done, like, not the greatest, been not the greatest person, but I genuinely want to apologize and get left alone. But they want to spread their nature... So what did they say? That I apparently want to kill everybody on the server, which is not true. I have not killed Thistle, I've not killed Kings. I've actually resuscitated Kings back to life.
What?
Because Kings was about to die because Chaos decided to go on a murder spree and kill Kings, so I had to fix Kings and give them medicine, like, you know, nurse them back to health. They're fine now, by the way, I just want to say. They are fine now.
Good, okay.
I've been wanting to just change around my life, because I realize that I have not been the best person to a lot of people. There are people that are scared of me. There are people that are upset because of things that Void Family has told them, or maybe other people. I don't know. They have told people that, like I said, I want to kill people. I want to kill everyone in particular. I don't want to kill everybody. That's too messy. That they've tried to apologize to me, but every time I've had a talk with them, it leads to them screaming at me, and nothing gets solved. I've tried to talk calmly after that, actually multiple times, and all of that has ended in yelling, and them spreading misinformation about me, how I don't want to solve the issues. That they've tried to solve the issues with me. But if they tried, why would they spread a bunch of stuff about me at the... I brought Bon Bon back to life, and I'll be honest with you, okay? I'll do something for you. I tricked a fucking entity. I tricked a fucking entity. I have the memories right here. I tricked a fucking entity because the entity wanted this, right? Here's the deal, and I know you're a little bit upset about me for this, and I'm gonna tell you why. The parents of Bon Bon, which is Annie and Stars, wanted Bon Bon to remember each time that they died. So this is why I have the memories, because I wanted to pick through them and actually safely give Bon Bon back those memories at a later date. But I never got to tell anybody because everybody just thinks I'm a bad person. And I don't mind giving them to you. I don't mind. I'll give you the memories right now. These are the actual memories. The one and only for Bon Bon. I will give them to you, because I know you are their best friend. And I will drop them. This is no lie. This is no true. I'll drop them to Zero right now. Zero can have them. They're my siblings. Get it right. Okay, well, don't be nasty with me when I'm literally telling you the truth about how their parents wanted them to remember each of their deaths. Does that sound fair to you? Putting your child through misery and wanting them to remember each time they died? No.
Oh.
Sorry, I have to go in cat form.
Okay.
I do it when I want to just sit down and think.
The Void family talks about me to them. And I've been hiding away ever since. No, it's literally true, because Twee, their child, were talked to about at the thing, the ceremony thing, yeah. So every time
I can't even catch a break, even on a happy day.
And the reason I haven't told Bon Bon or gotten to tell Bon Bon is every time I've tried to, Maggie shoves them away and I can't even get to them. So I will drop you these right now and you can have them. But I'm the only one that can put it back in, so... Do you want them? I will give them to you for free, I don't care. I will make matters right and I'll do what I can, but I will not give them the ones that have death in it. I will not do that. That is a promise. I will give you the ones without the death, and you can give these to them, and they can, I mean, technically I'd have to put them back, but yeah, you know what I mean.
We're trying to fix things, but if they keep shying away and showing aggression, then we can't come to an agreement. We're trying, but they keep shying away.
My whole thing is I'm just trying to leave that group behind. But every time I try, it just turns into something worse. And that's why we want a free Bonbon. Because that family is, ugh.
Because the whole thing is, we're trying to give Bonbon good memories, right? Why? Why are we trying to remake these bad memories? It doesn't make sense.
No.
It doesn't make sense to me.
But then, also, we were told at the, ceremony that we're supposed to be on equal playing terms and, like, nothing bad is supposed to happen to either parties. Yet I was the only one bashed at the wedding, and they were allowed to go tell everybody about me, huh? Because that's fair? Because that's fair. I have so much leverage on them that they... Ugh. I hate today. I'm so sorry for making that noise. That's my disgusted face. Ugh. Ugh. You know? This'll... Ugh.
I can only imagine, because it's already hard enough for me to... After I left to check on my child, I just broke whatever's happening right to them, and it's hard that this exists, but... I'd rather have them living in the truth than a lie.
I just thought I found a family and found Bond. Well, I will tell you one thing. Your family, Smile and Dragon, they're great. They're great. They're great. I just don't trust Void Family with anything. But if you really want these back, I will give them to you. I will give them to you for free. There is no trade. I'm not going to make a deal with you. I'm just done. I will give you these for free. But I'm the only one that can actually put it back into them, actually, technically, because, one of my powers is a little bit of a memory wipe, memory steal kind of stuff. Ooh, spooky. What do I do with them? Obviously, tell Bonbon I'll give them the correct memories. They'll have all their memories back. But I just don't want the ones with the death involved. That's all I wanted to do, was give the correct memories back when I had the chance. But every chance that I got, they were always after me, the Void family. Spreading misinformation, and I had to clear it up. It was kind of like a mess. Like a Iridium Cobalt situation. Cobalt cleaned that guy's messes. That kind of thing.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but we're literally offering peace and agreement, and they're just pushing it away, so...
I gotta go take care of some things. Thistle, you got the rest from here, right?
Oh, no worries, Jane.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, hey, Jane, have a good night, alright?
Take care of yourself.
Check on some things.
Take care of yourself.
I'll see you guys. Take care, okay?
Take care. Alright.
Let me know if things go.
Thanks for...
I'll make a deal with you, and I'll promise on my life. My literal life. If I do, I only have one.
I'll make sure
I'll die.
Yeah, either way, the Void family wins.